Hi, boys and girls. Okay. Excuse me. Well, in math, Maybelline. I'm sorry, my dog. um, okay. I kind of got me distracted there. Okay, in math, we are trying to focus on helping us learn our numbers so that we can identify them. Because I learned from doing some of our testing that our numbers 0 to 10, some of us are having a difficult time. And then especially those numbers when we get from 11th to 15, those are super, super hard right now. So we're going to get better at identifying the numbers and counting, because this is one of the things that will make you a stronger pre-K 4 and kindergartner. Oh, my dog is just getting into mischief. She's just getting into things. Okay, so first we need to start by counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you get there? Okay, let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Okay, so now when I put some objects on a little plate, and I'm going to be holding them up so you can see them, we're going to be looking at the objects, but I want you to start thinking about how we would count them, okay? Now I can't hold it up straight because they'll slide right off, okay? Now if we had a number sentence and we were adding, it would probably say 1 plus 2. But when we're counting, we can just go 1, 2, 3. And then when someone asks you how many do you have altogether, you say the last number. You say 3. I have 3. Okay. So I'm looking at the paper that we're going to be doing today as your assignment. It's in your packet, and it has 2 columns, and it says counting 1 to 5 objects, and there's a whole row on this side and a whole row on this side. And so what we're practicing doing is when you count, you can't just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to look at it and touch it and count it. Now, if we're using objects, we can move them when we're counting. So we can go 1, 2, 3. So I moved them and counted them. But when we're counting on paper, we can't do that. So to help us, we use a crayon or marker or pencil, and we cross it out to know that we've counted it. So if we look at this one, we can go 1, the next one, 2, and then 3, and then 4. Then how many do we have? 4. Then you write the number. My dog is really getting in trouble today. What is your problem, little Billy Goat? Go lay down, Billy Goat. So then you would write your 4. Okay, so now I'm going to have other things up here for us to count. Might be easier if I just shoot the camera down. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay, so now what if I have 1, 2, I'll just put the things here and then we'll count them. Okay, here we go. So let's count them now. You ready to count? Here we go. Remember, we start at the left and we go to the right. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many objects? 6. 6 objects. Okay, so I'm going to put them in my pile. Get another few things. Now you can practice this if you put some crayons together, or maybe some buttons, or pens, or just even empty water bottles. Pieces of tape, some little pieces of paper. You can fold them over and just put them in a group and just count them out. And then our favorite, Q-tips. Those are great because they're quiet. They don't take up a lot of room. But these are some little things that I had here at the house, and so I can count them, okay? I'm going to shoot it back down. Here we go. Here we go. So these are my things. Some of these are little flowers. Here we go. Can I start at the right? No, we start on the left. That was another thing I noticed. Some of us are not understanding which side to start counting on. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, that's a lot. 9 objects. I have 9 things. Okay, so excuse me, guys. So this is what you're going to be doing. Now we are practicing using objects to count, and that is a great thing. I have just a bag right here. What are you doing? Sorry. She's getting into mischief. I have just a bag of things. What? What are you standing here for? Maybelle, what are you doing? You want to see my dog? Okay. She's right here. What are you doing today? You're kind of getting into mischief. Yes, you are. You're getting into mischief. Yes, you are. Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Well, I'm kind of busy. You kind of need to go lay down. Go lay down. You're a good dog. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Okay. Okay. So I have just a bag of things put together that I grab my hand out and I just put it on the table and I count those. So that might be a great thing for you at your house to kind of start collecting. Your family can have you kind of help you get some things together, and this is just your counting bag. And you take a handful out, you put them on the table, and then you line them up. And remember, we start and we go from the left side to the right side when we line them up. And we line them up in a row, nice and straight, right? And then we count them one by one by one by one. We don't get in a hurry and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because that's just not even gonna, that's not it. We can't do that, no. Okay, so that's an activity to do. Did you steal his sock? You did steal his sock, you little turkey. That's why she knows she's being naughty. She went and stole Ryan's sock. You little turkey. Okay. Stop, turkey. Okay. So we have counted with objects. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to look at some numbers. I'm going to hold up. I'm going to write some numbers. And I would love for you to pause it and go get your Etch-a-Sketch. Or you can use your Wiki Sticks. I do not mind either one. And I'm going to call out some numbers and have you practice writing the numbers with me. Okay? So I have mine here. Here we go. Can you show me number 10? 10. How do you make a 10? A 1 and a 0. That's a 10. Good job. Now can you show me number 11? 11. 11 is a 1 and a 1. Good job. Now can you show me number 12? 12 is a 1 and a 2. That's a 12. 12. How about 13? It's a 1 and a 3. 13. What about 14? 14. It's giving you some hints when you hear the word 14. When you hear teen, you know there's going to be a 1 in the front. Now, some of the numbers have a 1 in the front, but you don't hear the word teen. You just got to learn it, okay? What about 15? You know, there's a 1 in the front because I heard the teen. 15. That's 15, a 1 and a 5. Good job. Wow, impressive. How about the number 7? 7. Good job. How about the number 2? 2. How about the number 1? There you go. I think my dog turned my light off. Maybe I didn't turn it on. She unplugged it. I knew she did. Little turkey. She is just running around in here. How about number 3? Good. Yeah, I'm not saying the words on how to make it. I'm just trying to think about the numbers today. What about number 4? I'm saying it in my head, down, over, down some more. Okay. What about number 6? Curve around and curl it up. That's a funny looking one, isn't it? Curve around and curl it up. There we go, that looks a little better. What about number 8? Make an S and then close the gate. What about number 9? Make a circle and a line. Number 9. Kind of rhymes, doesn't it? And number 5. Come around, down, around, and put on a hat. Okay, good job. Okay, so now the math page that we're doing is, let's see. It's just about in the middle, is all I can say. But it's the one that says counting, and it looks like it has 2 rows. We're going to do both sides, okay, as your homework today. Okay? So remember, you're supposed to touch it with your crayon or marker or pencil and cross it out, and you say a number as you cross it out. Then you go to the next one. So you're counting, and then you're writing the number over here. If you don't know how to write the number, then family, show them the number, and then they can copy it, okay? Because I want them to write the number in the boxes, okay? And I hope I'm seeing you cross out the objects, because that shows me that you're counting and you're touching and you're counting as you're touching it, okay? That's what we need to do. Okay, great job, guys. Make it a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.